Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Aries. We are picking few cards. So if you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys, Aries. So we have Ace of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and Judgment. So with these cards, Aries, I see that you have that completion, that sense of completion, contentment, emotional satisfaction today. Maybe things are going in a positive way in your career or in your personal life. Maybe certain things, whatever you were expecting, it is reaching you. Aries, in your career or in your love situation, guys, you are pushed to make some important decisions, some hard choices. Maybe you are revealing the truth about something. It is giving you a lot of difficulty. You are faced with lot of stress today because of the way you have to come out with the truth or some important choices you are making today. It is quite difficult on your part, but you are doing it anyway. So these difficult choices are leading you to happiness and that peace of mind. But today maybe you have chosen to be truthful, true to your heart, reveal what needs to be revealed to this person you love, or to someone in your career, or some true choices in your career. But the decisions may be difficult, but you are happy, content, and you are moving towards abundance and prosperity in your situation, guys. So these difficult choices are taking you towards a new change in your career. Some new opportunities or offers are coming in your situation today, Aries. It may be a beginning of a new project or a new financial deal or whatever work you do. Or it may be a business collaboration or partnership, something which with a positive outcome. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. Happiness, a new connection, maybe a new love, maybe for some of you, or a fresh start in your career. So that is what I see, guys. So this situation, it's like a jump start for you, simply pushing you towards that positive changes that are coming towards you in your situation. So but you are making some important decisions today, guys, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, Aries. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever pile comes to you first, you can close your eyes, think about your situation, or just be quiet for some time and then open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first set of cards here. So we have Ace of Suns in reverse, Two of Moons and Lady of Suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe today in this connection you have this may be your energy or this person's energy. So that love and compassion is there in this connection, kindness is there in this connection, but you cannot trust them totally because maybe for some of you they have their own ideas. Something is there in their mind. Maybe they are here in this connection because they have few things to say or say to you, or maybe their past has somehow making them really stressed, and they are here in this connection because they have left few things unsaid to that person, and maybe with this person they are kind to you sometimes, but suddenly they are bursting out harshly. So it may be because of their past, something is clouding their mind. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way, guys. So with this person you may have that you may feel they're kind sometimes, but sometimes they are not. So you cannot have that total trust on this person, guys. But I also see that this card here, it is a very positive card. So maybe their behavior, maybe they have some preconceived notions about this relationship. That may be the reason they are behaving in such a way. But in this connection there is a possibility for marriage and a positive relationship. So if you are patient enough, you can wait till things sort out on its own, guys. So any problems that you're having today in this connection, all that is going to be reducing, guys, for you. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this card, the first deck. That is the reading. So for those who have chosen the second deck, let's see what are the cards. So we have 10 of water, magician and hermit. So in this love, in this connection, you very well know in your heart of hearts not only your love or whatever intentions you have towards this person, that is not enough. You need some kind of intuition or inspiration, some kind of guidance, but that is there in your connection today, guys. So something is pushing you towards some choices today in your situation. So something you are thinking about something, maybe some important decisions need to be made today. So that is essential for your growth in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are changing the way you perceive this love, perceive this connection. Your perception is different. Maybe you understand what this person is feeling right now. You may have a clear understanding, a clear perception today, guys. So you have that acceptance in your heart today. Maybe certain things may not go right, certain things may go well in this connection, but whatever it is, you have that acceptance in your heart. That may be the reason that you are happy as you are in this love, in this connection, guys. So things may not be going as expected, but I see peace of mind and happiness because you have that unconditional love towards this person, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.